Hi, thanks for clicking on this. This is called What Was I Thinking? I'm gonna just look at a recent day's batches of photos on the Q2 Monochrom and just check, and then just try to remember what I was thinking when I took the photo. That's Jeremy Cash. He was sitting in front of me. This was more of a photo where I just hold it up and I'm like, just because they all know I take photos now, and I like to kind of parody myself sometimes and take this photo. By taking a photo, just like, oh, look at me, I'm just taking a photo of you just sitting there trying to sit still, trying to enjoy yourself. So that's what that was. This is kind of that, but I also did like his posture here. This is Devesh. It reminded me of just like an old man or like someone from the 30s. I don't know, I liked it. This was Branson Knowles. This is a new Comedy Works shirt, so I took a picture of that, and he had a nice little pose there. Ooh, these ones are fun. Okay. This guy recognized the camera. Like, a lot of people say, ooh, is that an old film camera or whatever? This guy recognized it as the Q2 Monochrom right away. And so I was like, oh, you obviously know cameras and shit. And so I was like, you want to make a photo? And he's like, sure. I'm like, just stand there and look down the bar. And then she walked up, like almost immediately. And I was like, fuck, I really liked him with this flower and then the lights. But, use what we got. And I was like, okay. And I had him look down because she was looking away. And then she smiles. And then she looks away because she's like done with it. And that was when it was like kind of perfect. Just her eyes, and then this line and the lights. This is at Mercury Cafe in Denver, and it's just a beautifully lit place. Poetry up there. This was like similar because I saw flowers, I guess they were on my mind, and there's a peacock. Ooh, I really like the glow of this, entranceway. It's my friend Kelsey's spot. I'm going over there to that late night edit. And then she bought me a little cake that I took home later. It was my birthday. Okay, I didn't mean to pick my birthday, but I guess I did. This, I had taken a photo of when the first time I walked down this alley, like weeks ago, or months ago really, and it was more of like just a dirt hole. And then this was like the second time I've ever walked down it, and it's kind of cool to see it just like overgrown. This thought maybe the shapes could be cool, like the different color windows. Interested. I always like, my visit always coincides with these dump truck guys. This is on a Monday morning. They always come and pick up the trash. And so I was sitting at the table at Rosebud Cafe, and I just put my camera down, and I was kind of acting like I was holding it, and I was just like pressing. This, I was laying out photos for like a zine that I'm doing, because just a few of those made it in the final selection, or what it is, the final section is now. But at this place called Rise and Shine, I'm gonna hang up some photos I'm printing, and so along with like the big prints that people can buy, I wanna there's like a shelving area, and I wanna have like a short zine collection with photos that aren't on the walls, as well as postcards. I feel like those two are ways to get my photography out there that aren't big, more expensive prints. These are some pairings I liked. These two, the top and bottom pairing, are gonna make it in there. I gotta re-crop this, but I like the Milkman looking at BK, so that's Adam Gilliland, and that's BK Sherrod, and that's a hair, but that's BK Sherrod with a lactate in his mouth, and I just like that. It almost looks like Adam, this is 2 different days, vastly different days, but Adam was about to like try to assassinate BK with milk. And he's like, foiled again, because BK's got the saving lactate. Yeah. This just looked like a beautiful bouquet, but it was dog shit. Traffic cone wearing a funny hat. This was one of my favorite ones of the day. It's just silly and a little whimsical. But also, he looks like he's taking himself very seriously. This fire hydrant. We love an umbrella shot. So that's not much. I'm on the phone with my sister there taking a selfie in the window. Looks like a ghost. Austin, these are also 2 more that were made in jest. Or it's like, because I'm on the phone and they were like saying hi and I just took a photo instead of talking to them because I parodying myself. Some more Devash. Through the window, it's Corey Cooley. This is at Blush and Blue, which is a bar with an open mic on Mondays that Lisa, who's I'm house sitting for, she hosts it. And they got a great bathroom with some cool lights. Trying to get artsy with it, and that's the angle. You gotta put the camera close to the mirror and back up myself. Just trying to figure out how to fill it all with these lights that were kind of in this sink area. There's Evan Fitzgerald. We host the Dead Room together. And this is Lisa Lane. We're trying to get good pics of her. She's my dear friend and hilarious and young at heart and a beautiful soul. And she wants me to figure out how to take photos where the wrinkles don't stay out as much. And so we were having her lean forward and she was laughing. And that was a fond memory. That is a fond memory now. Ali Kareem and Jacob Jonas. Ben Kronberg at the Lair. Went on a little photo walk with Kaylin. She's a professional photographer and has taken me on some walks or second jobs just to help me learn the ropes, watch her do her thing. She took this photo of me with my camera. I wanted to get a good one of this one because it's black, because I use black and white and it's why so colorful. But yeah, I didn't get anything I was happy with. And there's her standing up because she saw a shot she liked. We got some mannequin action. I love mannequin photos. I don't know why, I just do. A sunflower, but at night. Window at night. And then there's some good shots of Jacob. We did headshots and I like the back of his phone here. Thank y'all, love y'all. These are just the ones with the monochrome, but for the headshot sessions, I always primarily shoot with I now use a Sony A7R3 or that an A7C, which I still have. Recording this now, and I'll throw that in here. But that's the video. What was I thinking? I don't know what I was thinking. I kind of like that. I'll pick some highlights out of that and throw it in a YouTube file. I think I need someone sitting next to me while we react to the photos. I don't know. Let me know if you watch this all the way through and you see this ask for comment, a request for a comment for feedback. What'd you like? What'd you dislike? Or would you ever watch this shit again? Let me know. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.